before I show you how this snow cannon works, obviously you got like an adjuster at the front over here. My mix is basically mostly of the shampoo than the water, so I usually, it says 1 part to 8 parts of water, but me I've done like 50-50. I've got the Demon Shine mixed in there as well as the Simone's, whatever it's called, the one I bought from Wilco. I thought I'll mix them both together and I'll see how it comes out. So I'll get my jet washer all set up, and then I'll show you what the foam looks like with this one. So this is what it's supposed to look like when you start. Okay, that needs adjusting. Play on. My mix is a bit watery, but look, it's still foaming up. That's what it looks like. I don't know if it's coming up any clear. But obviously if you have a better foam solution, the foam will be more foamier, just like the snow foam. But this is a bit wild because I've got the Demon Shine and the one from Wilco mixed in together. So this will just give you an idea of what it looks like and what kind of foam stuff it is foamy. Look. It's just a bit watery though. So yeah, it's definitely a good foam lance, cannon, whatever it's called. So it does the job. So if you're looking at buying one for your Spear & Jackson, this would be it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.